Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. I wanted to quickly share the idea I have to cover different topics in the coming weeks. The blue ones are the ones which I have already covered. If you have any other idea or request to cover a particular topic, do send me an email or comment on any of these videos and I will make a note of it for future videos. This particular PSSC Python mail will contain many more sub videos and sub topics, but just wanted to list it here in the overall plan. I will soon see you on the remaining videos. Till then, take care and please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.